design a thumbnail. Now this is the picture I inserted. Look at it. You see there is the background is here. Let me delete it. The same picture, when you insert the same picture, you see the background has been completely been removed. As you can see, I can drag it, I can drag it, I can drag it. So in hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Rich Concept TV. In this video I'll be teaching you how to remove picture background from any graphic design, especially for those of you that have the free version of Canva. We know that Canva is a very nice website where you can create graphic design, but those of you that have the free version, it is very difficult for you to remove picture background from Canva using the except you have the pro version. So in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you exactly how to remove background from any picture and still use it in Canva in the free version. Okay, that is what I'm about to teach you. So now I'm going to take you to my screen and I'll show you what to do. Don't forget, I am your school name to James. I love you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell notification so that anytime I drop awesome video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And if you have any question, you have any observation, any video you want me to do, I want you to click, I want you to comment so that I will know exactly what you really want. Okay, thank you and God bless. So hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just like I said in this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove background from any picture. So now all you need to do now, you come to your Google Chrome. By the time when you come to your Google Chrome, you go to a website, you open a new tab, then you go to a website, and the name of the website is remove.bg. remove.bg. Then you click on it. So by the time you click on it, you take the name of this website. The name of the website is remove.bg. So now you go to here that says upload image. So the picture you want to remove the background, you upload it from your system. So now this say you click upload. So by the time when it upload, it will take you to your computer where you have to choose the image. It does it automatically now. So now this is the picture I want to remove. Now I'll search for the picture I want to remove the background. This is the picture. I click on it, then I click OK. By the time when I click on it, it automatically removes the background. You can see this is the picture that I selected. So I go to here that says download. I click on download. As you can see, the picture is already downloading. It is already downloading. As you can see, it has already downloaded to my system. So now all I need to do now, and I'll go back to my Canva, the Canva that I'm using. I'm using the free version, not the pro. So now I go to upload here that says upload. I click on it, then I upload my picture, then I go to my downloads. Now this is my download. Now as you can see, now this is the first picture. Let me download it to my Canva. If you allow it to load up, let's just give it a while to load. As you can see, it has loaded up. Then let me upload the second picture, the one that the background was removed. This is it. Then I click open. So it's downloading. So let me zoom my computer screen for you to see exactly what I mean. So as you can see, this is the picture. This is the first picture. This is the same picture. As you can see, let me drag this picture. As you can see, this is the first picture, the one that has the background on it. Look at it. You can see. Then this is the one that the background was removed. Let me click on this one. As you can see, very easy for you to, as you can see, the two pictures. As you can see. So you can see, so in this one now that has the background, as you can see, and this is the one that I downloaded from my remove.bg. So it is very easy for you to remove. So now let me delete this one. I click on here, delete. So this is it. It is very easy for you to remove any picture background using the Canva and the free version. So it is very easy. Don't forget to like to subscribe to my YouTube channel Rich Concept TV. In this channel I give real value. And don't forget, if you have any question, you can comment below. And when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that anytime I drop awesome video like this, you will be the first person to be notified. If there is anything you still want me to do, any video you want me to do, I will just indicate in the comment section, and I'm going to do it for you. Okay, thank you, and God bless.